Welcome to Project Bastyx, where you get the hottest gist in entertainment stories. Before we get started, please like this video and support us. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now Clive Davis is dead, and somewhere out there Jay-Z is sweating because the man who had the power to keep certain things buried, he's gone. And Beyoncé, she just said something. Now pay attention. Before we get into it, you need to understand who Clive Davis was. This was not just some music executive. This man was the most powerful gatekeeper in the entire entertainment industry for over 50 years. He didn't just sign artists, he protected them. He buried stories. He controlled narratives. If Clive Davis wanted something kept quiet, it stayed quiet. Artists lived and died by his word. Now careers were made and also destroyed based on his relationship. So when I tell you that his death changes things, I need you to understand the weight of that. Now Beyoncé posted a tribute, and on the surface it looks sweet. She wrote, "Rest in peace, Clive Davis. Thank you for the lifetime of support and celebration of talent and creativity." Simple, right? Or is it? Notice what she said. "Thank you for your support. Not ours. Yours." She was speaking to Clive directly, personally, like someone who had a relationship with him that was separate from Jay-Z, like someone who dealt with Clive Davis on her own terms. And in one sentence, that tells you everything about where Beyoncé stands right now. She's not hiding behind anyone, she's not softening anything, and she is reminding the world and certain people that she had her own lane, her own power, her own relationship with the most connected man in music. And now, that man is gone. So what does that mean for Jay-Z? Now think about it. For years, certain conversations never went anywhere. Certain allegations stayed in the shadows, and certain stories never made it to the front pages. And people have been wondering, how? How does someone with that much controversy around them stay so untouchable? Clive Davis, that's how. But Clive is gone now, and the shield is gone. And Beyoncé, a woman who has been silent for a very long time, is starting to speak. Slowly and carefully, but she is speaking. Jay-Z built an empire, but empires are only as strong as the alliance holding them up, and one of the biggest alliances just took his last breath. I'm not here to tell you what to think, I'm just here to make sure you're paying attention. Now Beyoncé said what she said. Clive Davis is gone, and the music industry will never be the same. Subscribe, drop a comment below telling me what you think Beyoncé really meant, and share this with someone who needs to know what's going on. I'll see you in the next video.